Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video we have a haul, and I believe it's all Dollar Tree haul, so let's jump right into it so you can see what I got. Alright guys, so in one of my other hauls I got the interchangeable, it was like the broom, the Swiffer type of pad, the mop, and it was one pole and you can interchange those things. The only one I didn't get was this because I saw this afterwards, and it's a micro fiber mop pad. So I got one of those to go with my collection. Then I went back in the party section and I got one pack of these champagne glasses, the fancy ones with the fancy ones on the bottom. They have ones that are plain, that's why I'm saying that. Okay, so then the Dollar Tree stocked up on the wooden beads. Now, just so you know, if there's a specific size bead that you like, these are great. Okay, for $1 you get 125, but they're not all one size, and some of them are tiny, some of them. So if you want a specific size, I think you're better off ordering those on Amazon or some other website, because this way at least you get all the same size that you like. But in a pinch, and if you're using, you can't go wrong with these beads. 125 pieces. I got 2 packs. Actually, I probably got more than that. I grabbed those because we didn't have those for a while. Then at my Dollar Tree they had blemish patches, so I really wanted to try these, so I grabbed one. And now every time I go and I do see the glue sticks for the big glue gun, I grab them because I haven't been having any trouble with them at all, and they're okay. So I've been stocking up on those there. So in the party section I grabbed one of these trays. Okay, because that's, I'm going to do a DIY with that. And yeah, just like I said, I grabbed a handful of the glue sticks. So I got, because you can't go wrong stockpiling them, and they're not going to waste. Now what I did notice, I want to show you here. These are more of a milky color. Can you see that? They're more of a milky type color. And then I noticed these are more clear. So how you see them here is how they're going to dry. So I grabbed these. So I grabbed what? That's 3. I grabbed 8. So I got 8 packs there. Because those glue sticks, I use them constantly. Now, I grabbed some more of these seashells. Now, these seashells here, you've seen me use these before, and these are absolutely beautiful. These guys, see how nice they are? I grabbed 2 of those for a craft. But then I saw the seashells, instead of the real big ones, they had these white ones, these tiny ones, and I think I can work with these a little bit better than the bigger ones when I'm making crafts. So I grabbed 2 of these, and that's going to be for a craft also, a nautical craft. Then I write all of my stuff in journals, so I grabbed one of these. It was by the register, one of these. And then I saw this one. It says for amazing. This is cute. Now in the section where they had the summer stuff, I don't know if they were randomly placed there, but these are racks. You can either use them as organizers. I was thinking of putting them in my kitchen, you know, for dishes over a drain board. But yeah, now that I'm looking at it, I can organize my files and paperwork on it too. So I might go back and grab some more. Guys, so I'm going to grab 2 of those and see what I'm going to do with those. I grabbed these color beads because the next DIY I'm making is going to be with that cobalt blue color. So I wanted to use those beads. And then I saw there were the last 2 packs of the blue gems. And I'm anxious to work with these gems again. They're very beautiful color. So I grabbed these 2. They were the last 2 there. So the Dollar Tree just got these back in. So let me see how many I got. I think I grabbed. So I got 2, 3, 4. I grabbed 4 of these candle holders, and then over there in the crafter square they had the purple glitter. I don't think I saw that before, so I grabbed one of these. Over there by the cleaning stuff I grabbed the duster, and there's 3 dusters in here, interchangeable dusters. I grabbed one of those, and I grabbed the garbage bags. These are the large trash bags that come 4 in a box. Then let's see, I grabbed these wipes. These are antibacterial wipes. These are nice to have in the car. So I'm going to take this with me and put it in the car. Okay, and then I absolutely love these black votives, guys. I think I grabbed 2. Let's see. They're absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? I don't know. I seen one, and then I don't know. They didn't have a display or anything, but when I saw it, I grabbed it, and I think they had 2. Yeah, I grabbed 2 of them. Aren't they gorgeous? Guys, these are so nice. I saw these apples in the white with the gold top and the red with the gold top. I didn't grab the red, but I did grab 2 of the whites. Okay, so I thought these were so nice. Okay, and then I have one other thing to show you. And they're usually only in white or black. And then all of a sudden I bypass the foam boards, and they're this color in pink. That's an absolutely beautiful color pink. I was like, what? They never have this in that color. So guys, I grabbed 2 of these because I'm going to make a project with it, and I'm absolutely loving that color. I may even leave that color and not mess with it too much and work around it. So guys, that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. That's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, these items were great. I'm glad I stocked up on this stuff. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.